Welcome to my YouTube channel Think Tricks. In today's video we shall see some Olympiad level questions on averages. Let us see the first question. The average age of a class of 28 students is 17 years. If the teacher's age is also included, then the average age increases by 1 year. So the age of the teacher is. What you need to remember is, if you are given average of a certain number of people, average of suppose n things, so how will you solve such questions? It means total of n values upon n. Therefore, what will be the total of these values? Total of n values will become average of these n values multiplied by this n will multiply by here. That means if any time I want to find out the total of n things, what formula I can use is average of those n things multiplied by n things, the count n. Okay, so same logic we are going to use over here. It is given that the class is of 28 students. That means there are 28 values and average is 17. But we don't know the total. So what we will do is total of 28 is equal to average of 28 multiplied by number of values, that is 28. So average of 28 is 17 multiplied by 28. If you will multiply, you will get 476. The second part says that if the teacher's age is also included, then the average increases by 1 year. Since you have 28 students and you add teacher's age also into it, that means you have a total of 29 values now. And the average, which was earlier 17, now it has become 18 because it increases by 1 year. So, after including teacher's age, total of 29 values will become equal to average of 29 people multiplied by 29 values. So average of 29 is 18 multiplied by 29, and 18 into 29 is 522. So to find out the age of teacher, we need to subtract 522 and 476, because this is the age including the teacher and this is the age of 28 people excluding the teacher. So when you will subtract 522 with 476, you will get 46. That is, the age of the teacher is 46 years. The second question says the average weight of a class of 25 boys was calculated to be 62.4 kgs, and it was later found that one weight was misread as 58 kgs instead of 66 kgs. What is the correct average weight? As I have told you earlier, I know that the total number of values are 25 and the average value is given as 62.4. We are not aware of the total weight of 25 boys. So the first step will be to find out the total weight of 25 boys. So total of 25 boys will be equal to average of 25 boys multiplied by 25. Now average of 25 boys is 62.4 into 25. If you will multiply 62.4 into 25, you will get 1560. The second part says, now this is the total of 25 boys. In this, one of the value was written wrong. That is, we took 58 kgs instead of 66 kgs. So it is simple that from this total of 25 boys, which is 1560, we need to remove 58 and add 66. So removing 58 and putting 66, which means 1560 minus plus is minus, 66 minus 58 is 8. So we are going to plus 8 in this. So the new total is 1568. Let us try to find out the corrected average. So 1568 divided by 25. So it will give me 62.72 kgs. So the corrected average weight is 62.72 kgs. The question says the average of 17 numbers is 27. If the average of first 8 numbers is 22 and the average of last 8 numbers is 33, the value of middle number is. We have a total of 17 numbers. As instructed in the question, these 17 numbers are split into 3 parts. First 8 numbers, last 8 numbers, and then this one value which is there in middle. First, the average of first 8 numbers is 22. The average of last 8 numbers is 33. Now we want to find out that what is this missing number. Want to find out the total of first 8 numbers. What I will do is average of first 8 numbers, which is 22, I will multiply with the total numbers, which is 8, which is 176. Total of last 8 numbers, how we will get is average of 8 numbers, which is 33, multiplied total values, which are 8. On multiplication of 33 with 8, I will get 264. On returning back to this concept, the first 8 numbers add up to 176, the last 8 numbers add up to 264, and this value in the middle is still missing. So let us try to find out what is the total of all 17 numbers. Let us find out total of 17 numbers. So the average is 27 into the number of values, which are 17. If you will multiply this, you will get 459. Total of 17 is equal to total of first 8 plus the ninth value which is missing plus the total of last 8 values. We have got that the total of first 17 numbers is 459, which is equal to the addition of first 8 numbers, which is 176, the value which is still missing, plus the last 8 numbers total, which is 264. So to find out middle number, we need to subtract 176 and 264 from the total of all 17 numbers, which is 459. So on subtracting all these values from 459, we will get 19. So the middle value is 19.